Today we are going to break apart a two-digit subtrahend to subtract it from a two-digit number. It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Do you know what time it is? It's math time. Hey guys, today we're going to be breaking apart a two-digit subtrahend to subtract it from a two-digit number. And this is our subtrahend right here, 18, and we're subtracting it from 43. This is our two-digit number, and this is our two-digit subtrahend. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to break it apart to make subtracting a little bit easier today. I know that sometimes subtraction can be tough, and so when it gets tough, we just break it up into smaller pieces, and it makes the subtracting go a lot smoother. So let's get started. On here on screen, I have 43 minus 18 equals something. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 43 on the number line, and I'm going to circle that number so that I remember where I'm going to start. Okay, so now that I've circled 43 on the number line, I'm going to break up 18. And if you remember place value, 18 is made up of a 10 and 8 ones. So I'm going to draw this little arrow shape, and I'm going to write a 10. Ooh, I don't know. Oh, there we go. My screen's moving on me. I'm going to make a 10, and I'm going to make 8 ones right here. And the first number that I made, oh man, my screen's moving again. The first number that I made was 10, so I'm going to make a super jump of 10. Now remember, when we do this, we're only changing the number in the tens column. We're not changing our ones. So the number that we're going to land on with our super jump is a number that's in the 30s, because this is 40s and we're jumping down to 30s, and it still has 3 ones. So let's make that super jump over here. We're looking for that number that's in the 30s and has 3 ones. Here it is. 33 has 3 tens and 3 ones, because remember, we're taking away a 10. So now we needed 3 tens and 3 ones. And I'm going to label this with a minus 10. Okay, so I'm going to cross this out. We've already done that part. And now we're focusing on this 8. Now, like we did in a previous video, we try to get to that 10 first. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to get to that 10 first. And if we look at this number 33, we can see that there were 3 ones that we had to take away to get to 30. We can double check our work by making smaller jumps. 1, 2, 3. And we can see that, yes, we did take away 3 ones to get to 30. So we're going to break up 8 into 2 smaller numbers now. So one of them is 3, and I'm going to label above because I don't have enough room inside my bubble here. And then the other number is however many you have to add to 3 to get to 8. And we know addition pretty well now at this point, that we should know that 3 plus 5 makes 8. And you could also figure this out by doing 8 take away 3 equals 5. And so I'm going to jump 5 more. And I'm going to do just a jump of 5. But to make sure that I land on the right number, I'm going to count my numbers. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like I have to land here on 25. So I'm going to make that jump now of 5. And I'm going to label it as minus 5. And now that I've gotten to 25, I'm going to draw that box around the number that I stopped on. and I'm going to write it on the line. This is what your guys' work is going to look like today. And I really, really want you to try to practice this as best as you can. Remember, we're going to make that super jump first of 10 because this 2-digit number is composed of a 10 and some ones. And then we're going to break up these ones to help us on the number line. You know, sure, we could have done this a lot differently. We could have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and gotten the same answer of 25. But what I really, really, really want you to practice doing is making that jump of 3 and making that jump of 5 because we break up 8 into 3 and 5. So that's what we're practicing today for our homework. Hey guys, thanks for sticking with me to the end of the video. Good luck on your homework today, and I will see you next time.